Get fastest update on tech by tapping on subscribe and bell. Welcome to you on OS Tech OS, your own technical channel. Here we have something new for you from Blackshark. Blackshark is going to launch its Snapdragon 865 Plus 5G modem enabled gaming smartphone. This is going to be named as Blackshark 3S. You are going to use water cooling technology for gaming heat, and this is going to make you feel you are going to get a gaming beast in your hand. A gaming beast from Xiaomi subsidiary Blackshark. You are going to use this phone as a gaming device, and this is the beast you can really say, because the Blackshark 2 and Blackshark 1 was the phone for featuring gaming technology as of time ahead, as they were really appreciating gaming technology for gamers in this mobile world. A 16 gig RAM is not that enough. Really? This is going to be a beast with UFS 3.1 storage of 512 GB in its own motherboard. The beast get the tech really affects your life. You are going to use any information which are going to upload it on our channel. You can use this information by subscribing our channel. Thanks for watching our videos. Keep watching and like this video. Thanks again. Our channel.